Hi, welcome to the short tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to get the dark mode of the Snapchat on the Android phone. As you will see, I am using the dark mode of the Snapchat on my Android phone. How you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your phone settings. Once you will open it, now you have to scroll up and you have to go to the about phone, and once you will here, now you have to click on this build number for the 5 time to enter in the developer mode. Once you will enter in the developer mode, I am already in my developer mode, so you have to search for the developer options here. As you will see, developer options is here, so from here you have to search for the override dark. So once you will search for it, as you will see, override force dark, or you can simply find a force dark mode. So turn this toggle on. Once you will do it, now you have to close all the apps from here. Once you will close all the apps, now open your browser and you will find a link in the description. You have to download this Snapchat version in your phone, so you can only get this Snapchat through that link in the description. So open that link and download this version of the Snapchat. So before downloading the Snapchat version, you have to uninstall your real Snapchat from your phone. So once you will do it, now download this in your phone. Once you will download it from the download button, install it on your phone, and then you have to log into your Snapchat. Once you will log into your Snapchat, you will be able to use the dark mode of the Snapchat. So this is the trick. Enjoy the dark mode of the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you, and if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.